Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today is the final day that we have to get the 300ZX ready for the event that we're going to be doing in SoCal. 2-day event, 18th and 19th. We're going to be at Grange, aka Apple Valley Raceway, getting some skidding in, man. So it has been hectic the last couple of days. Last night I picked the car up from White Aaron's. Today I gotta go pick up the trailer from Sac Speed Shop, so I'm gonna be taking the 300ZX out that way. That way I can load it up tonight, drive the truck and trailer back, have everything already loaded up and ready to go. On top of that, while I'm out there, I need to go get this thing aligned too. So I got a lot to do today. Gotta go to the body shop. They're currently painting my hood that's going on. So it's a lot that's going on, man. I literally haven't had time to really do much, man. Like a lot of the stuff you guys didn't get to see. Like 300ZX went to Aaron's while I was out doing some other stuff. He got that all fixed, no more leaks. And then I dropped the hood and stuff off to Martinez. And then literally he's been there to, I want to say like 6 in the morning, overtime pretty much, trying to get this thing finalized, everything painted. That way we can get this thing looking good, because it is going to be a dope event. And it's like I want to change the look up a little bit to, you know, something a little bit more like, here y'all go, unveiling type of ordeal. So obviously I'm not about to be at the body shop while he's freaking painting the hood till, what, 6 in the morning? Like, no, we ain't doing that. But yeah, man, change is coming. So with all that being said, let's go jump into 300ZX and start making our way that way. Y'all don't even know which that way is, but we're going that way. Here she be. Dude, I still need to wash this thing. I need to polish up these wheels. This is so disrespectful on how dirty and ashy these things are. So yeah, man, we got a lot of work to do. A lot of cleaning up. Got to get this thing prepped and ready to be presentable, man. Whew. Take 3 microfibers with me. Pretty sure once I get the Sac Speed Shop, I know they're going to have some polish so I can polish this thing up. But I think I'm going to go wash it real quick, give it a quick wipe down, and then polish everything up once I get there, while I wait on them to get the trailer and everything situated. And I'm like, oh, there's so much to do today, bro. But it's worth it, man. We drifting this weekend. Finally taking this thing out for some real skids at the track. So you guys are definitely going to enjoy the next video that drops. As I'm getting ready to leave, more parts. All good. Thank you, man. Hopefully these are the trim moldings that my boy Jay needs to finish up the green notchback. Alright, so all the parts that came so we can finish up the turbo coupe. We got the trim moldings right here. All that stuff can get painted. Door handles, brand new Ford emblems. And then this this also came. It's my little cousin shit. Like, who does little nigga think he is? The fuck is this? We got earrings. They're literally titled Rapper Nuggets. Bruh. I don't know who this little nigga thinks he is. Alright, I'm here at the wash spot. I'm about to wash this thing up real quick, get it cleaned, and then we off the sack. Alright, here at the alignment shop, getting ready to get this thing all aligned. Finally about to get a proper alignment for this thing. So yeah, this is like the last of what I need to do as far as chassis stuff, get it all aligned. We are going to be running the Viennas up front, but we're going to be swapping the drift spares in the rear, so these things is grande heavy. They look good on here like this, so yeah. Thankfully, James is letting me use this truck, and then Sac Speed Shop's letting me use their trailer so I can tow this thing down there. Y'all can see before, we had like toes off, crazy caster, and now we've leveled that out. Kept some of the rear toe, that way we got some forward bite. Got the front toe situated. Pulled the caster down a little bit. So now we had like 9.1 caster. Should be ready to put in some work this week. So we're just pulling up the Sac Speed Shop and getting ready to do a pull in this F-body, I think.
God damn.
What do you think of your boy's work?
No comment.
Yeah, this car is bad.
Look at your moldings. They're all painted. I didn't know moldings go painted.
You see this? Look at this. Look at this right here. Fat runs.
Damn. He didn't even take them out.
Right here.
He don't buff, does he? Does he?
Well, remember I picked up the car and I was about to beat him up when it was on the trailer, so.
I wonder, you know his little fade bullshit? I wonder if he just got overspray on your shit, so then he made it a thing.
Alright, so we're about to be getting this hood off and getting the new jammy on here.
You gotta show them till it's on. You got a Papa?
Of course not. Drift car, bruh. And yet, new hood looks fire on here. Looks fire. I've literally been like talking to Twin Z for like the last couple years. Like originally this car was supposed to be sponsored with a full Twin Z kit, so I literally been talking to them lately about doing the full kit. So you know, it's something that we've been working on for years and trying to get it pushed through, see if we can get the full Twin Z kit to switch this all over to Twin Z stuff. Hopefully we're gonna see. Like I said, we're in the middle of talking right now, so hopefully everything follows through. But this looks sick as fuck. Pretty much what it needed. A little bit more aggression. All right, man, so now that we got this all on, I'm literally about to be heading back to Sac Speed Shop, getting the truck and trailer, loading this thing up. Still got to get a lot of stuff ready for tonight. Like, man, sorry for the gap in the video earlier when I was at Sac Speed Shop. I literally was just working on the car, had to make a battery tie down, a few other things, and yeah, just doing a bunch of checking up stuff and using Ray tools to make sure everything was good. All right, just getting to Sac Speed Shop, getting ready to load this thing up on the truck, and then we out, man. We out back home. Long day, and hopefully I get some sleep tonight because I'm trying to wake up stupid early and get to driving. All right, just getting home. Definitely was a B trying to get this thing in the driveway. So it's my first time trailering or driving a trailer, and yeah, it took a little second to figure out how to get this thing in the driveway, but it's in there, everything blocked in. I know how that shit go. I done seen people tow rig get stole with the trailer and the race car. Like, ain't gonna be me. Sorry again for everything just being so blotchy and hectic on this video, all over the place, but that's just how, you know, the last couple days have been. But yeah, let's wrap this up for day one. All right, what's good, my peoples? New day, and it is time to head out to SoCal. Definitely feeling well rested and better. Truck, trailer, ready to go. Thing warming up, bags loaded up, tires loaded up. Got two tanks for some E85. I'm gonna fill up right now when I go top the truck off. 300ZX is already full of gas from yesterday, so yeah, pretty much ready to go, man. Pretty much ready to go. So y'all already know my brother Mar. He has that RB30 M3. So we're about to be linking up with him and a few other people. His car looks dope. Like, pretty much everyone was preparing and getting cars ready for this event as unveilings and stuff. So you know, this was last minute for me because we were supposed to be bringing the notch back. Right now we're waiting for SOB Rick to get here. Once Rick gets here, then we'll go start linking up with everybody. Then we're about to hit the road. I think with the trucks and trailers, probably gonna be about a 7.5 hour drive, possibly 8 depending on traffic. So we are gonna be driving all day, but tomorrow, man, it is go time, and we're about to be getting action in, so this shit's gonna be fun. I've been looking forward to this event for like the last couple months, and here we are, day of, getting ready to make this shit happen. Who pulled up? No hood, nothing.
Came with tires though.
Okay, with no hood. Whatever.
Fan shroud. We got some fucking
hardware store hardware holding the bumper up.
You need a fan strap? I still got the one off my car.
I got a fan strap. The problem is the front ain't 100% straight no more. It's slightly off.
Is this hood different from the like my coupe hood?
Yeah.
I was about to say I got a hood.
Now the hood is fine. The hood ain't fucked up. It's just everything don't line up.
Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure this ain't how this.
That's not how that's supposed to. Yeah.
All right, here at my boy Jamar's, everybody meeting at. Ooh, he is busting. That thing looking good. Go walk up on this thing so y'all can see this. It's not like a clean. Got that fresh candy paint on there. Jamar gets his cars looking good for every single event. Then he go out there and boof it. Every single time he get his car ready. I'm like, bro, do not mess this up. Boy, that motherfucker looking clean.
Thank you, sir.
Look at it. Oof. Oof. Probably still wet. Nigga.
Be here for hours, man.
Why?
Waiting on Joe.
Tell Joe hurry up. It's looking good.
Looks better close up than I seen it on the freeway.
The RB30.
I first saw it.
My man Lawrence just got this thing tuned. Sounds smooth. It's that crispy tune. That's a good thumbnail right here.
Messing up all my content.
What's good, my boy?
Congratulations, man.
Thank you, boy. Thank you. Car still looks good.
For now, we'll see.
It always looked good.
Yeah, I mean, you hit the wall last time.
Hey, you still ain't messed it up though.
Fingers crossed.
Same here. My boy Brandon's 1JZ S14. Beautiful. So yeah, man, you can see we got some dope cars coming out, and we definitely try to stride on keeping our drift cars like looking good. Even though they're drift cars, man, we still want them to look good, perform good. That's always been like something that's high on our priority list, is like looking good, driving good at all costs. So, and we got my boy Joe right here with the wide body S13. Joe is the one who painted our boy Jamar's candy pink M3. But yeah, this is a built RB25 in here also. Told you, man, everybody got the sauce. Alright, man, we've been driving for a few hours, and we're here at the gas station filling up first tank. Thing running. But yeah, man, we've been driving for hella long. We still got at least another 3.5 hours to go. Huh? Nah, I ain't done yet. It's still going, nigga. It's still going.
What'd you hit?
120. Is it full? Yep.
103.
But we finally touched down. Me and Rick at the B&B.
So it.
I'm about to clap his cheeks.
I thought they said there was a hot tub in this motherfucker. No?
It's just me and you, Ricky.
Well, we need some midget strippers. You know me. I like my midgets.
Alright, man, so I'm gonna start getting cameras and everything set up, making sure I delete all old footage. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the most amount of cameras I've used. I got GoPros for everything. Also gonna be trying out this 360 camera finally, long extension, so we should be able to get some good tandems, people behind us, people in front of us. So this will probably be one of my bigger edits. We'll see what we can do. I kinda still wanna do it vloggy and not too cinematic, so just wanna capture as many angles, put cameras on the homies' cars and stuff like that. Literally got GoPro batteries right there charging, other batteries here, so we should be good for the next 2 days. I'm gonna try to edit something right now, that way we are up to date, have a video dropping for y'all, well, this video right here that y'all watching, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be vlogging, and the next day, if the car holds up, we'll do day 1 and day 2. And then maybe possibly with the extra footage, if I can, do a separate complete cinematic video of the event. But we'll see, man. I know I got a lot of people coming out to chill, meet me, kind of doing like I want to say a little baby meet and greet. So we'll have people coming out from all over, chilling, seeing me for the first time, plan on doing ride-alongs and stuff. So it's definitely going to be a busy weekend. hopefully we can put it together in a vlog and make it all dope for y'all. So yeah, I'll be busy this weekend, man. A lot of editing, a lot of driving. So looking forward to seeing everybody. But yeah, let's wrap it up. Gotta, get ready for tomorrow and hopefully still get some rest. So till tomorrow, man. Appreciate y'all greatly. Been a rough one, but we out here, we made it, and tomorrow we go see how everything unfolds. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. That was kind of gay. Yeah, let's not. Nah, not that one. We'll just continue to do this.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's better run up.